It's my birthday. I can do what I like. I can say what I like. Yes, 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 yes. So today is my birthday, and I just want to give God thanks for allowing me to see this another birthday. Yes, I'm at work, but I will celebrate on the weekend. Nothing beats getting paid, worse when you can do it another time. However, it's my birthday and I have come a long way. I've been through so much heartache, I've been through so much pain, but I am alive today and I am well. I am covered, I am protected, I'm loved. I'm grateful for all my friends, all my family, my colleagues, my kids, my kids. And it's just another day, but you need to take time to celebrate yourself. You need to show up for yourself. Self-motivation is really important because if you can't motivate yourself, who will be able to motivate you? Self-motivation is really, really important, and I want to just encourage somebody today. Celebrate yourself. You deserve this and so much more. You deserve all the happiness that life has to offer. Things might be tough now, but after the sun comes rain, and after the rain comes a rainbow. So things will only get better once you keep working at it, once you keep pushing yourself, once you keep telling yourself positive things. Surround yourself with positive people. Feel the positive energy around you. Energy is everything. Spirituality is also plays an important part of who I am. So of course, I give thanks to God for taking me through another year. I see myself growing. I see myself older. I see myself wiser. I see myself learning from the different mistakes and challenges that I've made, So celebrate yourself, guys. Celebrate yourself. So if your birthday is coming up, put on a little makeup, do your hair, buy yourself a nice outfit, and just, guys, I'm grateful for all the opportunities that have come my way. There's so many things that have happened to me these past few months. I've grown, I've developed. I am grateful for every door that was closed, because once that door is closed, then the right path will be opened up for me. Time tells tales, right? So with time, everything that I want is gonna happen. With time, everything that I need, as long as it's according to God's will, everything that I need. So I'm reflecting on who I am as a person. I'm a mother, I'm an educator, I'm a friend. I am so much more than I was a year ago. I'm so much more than I was even a few weeks ago. I've learned so much, That is why I'm saying I'm grateful for even my colleagues. They have taught me a lot. Yes. And of course, I am grateful because I couldn't have, who's to tell? I shouldn't have been here, but God kept me. I'm alive. And of course, I'm gonna celebrate myself, Take time and don't forget that you turn this age only once. So enjoy yourself, have fun, make time to have fun with your friends, your family, your spouses, your kids, just have time. So today is my birthday, and Lord, I offer to you this day, let whatever your will be done today. I won't want to change anything. I'll just appreciate it. That's why I say surround yourself with positive people. You know? Yeah, this is me. So today is my birthday, and I'm grateful for this another year. I'm gonna be celebrating on the weekend. I may vlog, but I don't know yet, because even though I am on YouTube, I tend to try to keep certain things in my life private. Oh guys, I did my own nails. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, how do they do it? Like this. So I did my nails by myself and my hair, you know, queued up myself for my birthday. Anyway, thank you